Hi, this is Neil Waterhouse. Today I want to talk about different ways you can quickly generate frequent flyer points with eBay business. However, you can also use some of the same strategies for many other types of businesses as well. I want to share with you some of the fun things you can do with frequent flyer points. These days, frequent flyer points can be used not just for purchasing plane tickets or upgrading flights, but you can also convert them to go on things like cruises with your family, as well as convert them to gift vouchers for places like JB Hi-Fi, David Jones, and many other stores. There are many strategies for accumulating points, as I'll show you, including how you can purchase inventory from almost anywhere on the planet, even if they don't take credit card. You can still rack up frequent flyer points and still get up to 55 days to pay. I'll show you how in a second. First of all, there are many different credit cards out there which offer many different types of frequent flyer points. And there are also many different frequent flyer programs. Personally, I use Qantas. I'm not going to say that what I do is the absolute best combination, as the market's always changing. It's almost a full-time job just trying to keep up with the latest and greatest offerings. My preference for frequent flyer programs is Qantas. However, I'm definitely not saying this is the best program. However, it's a program which I've been using now for probably over 20 years. For credit cards, today my favourite is the black ANZ frequent flyer card. As with this card you get a Visa and also a bonus American Express card. Before this card I used to have an Amex Platinum card, and that cost me over $1,000 a year. However, the ANZ card, it's almost the same features, including travel and hire car insurance. And you know, this rocks if you travel to a place like the US, where the insurance to hire a car costs more than the hire car itself, and takes forever to fill out all the insurance papers when you rock up at the stand to take your car. The ANZ American Express card gives you 1.5 points for every dollar you spend, and the Visa card gives you 0.7 of a point for every dollar you spend. This may not sound like a huge amount, however over time it really can grow. If you purchase your inventory with a card, pay overseas staff, all your sundry expenses like petrol, accountants, phone bills, internet, office expenses, car expenses, insurances, etc. You know, they really do add up. If you're a drop shipper, almost all the suppliers will accept credit cards. If you purchase from inventory from any other supplier who does not accept a credit card, you can use companies like Octet Finance, which is spelled O-C-T-E-T, T for Tom. So O-C-T-E-T, Finance, who will pay your suppliers for you. And then you can pay Octet Finance via your credit card. This allows you to pay almost anybody on the planet by credit card. Companies like Octet Finance will charge you a merchant fee of around 2%. However, this is not much in the scheme of things, as I'll show you. If you're an importer, you can also use the companies like Octet Finance to pay your overseas suppliers. The bonuses of using companies like this is you get up to 55 days to pay your credit card, and of course you get the frequent flyer points too. So why is 2% cheap? For a start, the 2% is paid by your business out of pre-tax dollars, as opposed to whenever a business owner takes out any money for personal use, they have to pay income tax. For round numbers, and to keep the maths easy, let's say you want to take out, say, $1,000 from your business account to purchase, say, I don't know, a new television. On top of the $1,000, you will have to pay income tax based on your tax rate, on your personal tax rate. If your personal tax rate, say, 40 cents on the dollar, you'll need to pay an additional $400 tax, meaning you'll really be taking out $1,400. If you've been racking up the frequent flyer points by purchasing inventory, just like I mentioned, and you've accumulated, say, $1,000 worth of frequent flyer points, you can simply convert the points to a JB Hi-Fi or Harvey Norman voucher. You can go to the shop and get the TV without spending a cent, or you don't even have to go to the shop, you can do it all online these days. Most frequent flyer points will not allow you to convert points to cash. However, you can convert them to a gift voucher to places like JB Hi-Fi, Harvey Norman, etc., David Jones, whatever, and then you can purchase items like, you know, Apple iPads, and then resell them for cash. If you're a drop shipper, you can just list items from those places, and when they sell, you can go online and purchase the items using your gift voucher and have them deliver direct to your customer, again without spending a cent. If your goal is just to increase your eBay margins, this strategy works very well, as you can calculate exactly how many frequent fly points you get when you purchase any inventory. And then you can add that amount onto your margin. This is a great way of adding more margin to every sale, and most of your competitors will not know what you're doing. The first step of choosing which frequent flyer program has the best rewards and which credit card gives the most points. Just be careful though, more points does not always mean better rewards. Bottom line question for every credit card you're looking at is, how much do you have to spend on your credit card to get, say, $100 gift voucher from somewhere like David Jones? And what is the yearly fee? It's very, very important to crunch the numbers. That's all for this week. If you're watching this video anywhere besides my blog, please come over to neilwaterhouse.com for my eBay hints, tips and goodies. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you know anybody who might find this video useful, please click on the share buttons below. Everybody loves to share. Please leave a comment and let me know if you're collecting frequent flyer points now and what do you do with them. Love to hear back from you. Until next week, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.